I want to see if this works. And so I'm doing this so you don't have to. What's up, y'all? Today I am giving you a twofer. We are trying out things for some monthly maintenance, y'all. We are going to be using the Kiss Falscara and the Ardell Brow Tint. And I'm going to show you how I got whatever it is that's on my face right now, okay? It is a ride. Hopefully the video is not that long. Hopefully, yeah, but it took me a long time to get here, okay? But you know, if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. But before we go, make sure that you click the subscription button and the notification bell so that you can become part of the most glamorous, the most fabulous community here on YouTube, the Glam Fam, and know exactly when I upload. I have a lot of great content up already, and I have a lot of great content coming up. So make sure during the break you do that. Click that subscription button, right? And I will see you when we start doing these at-home treatment things, okay? Today we're going to be testing out the Ardell Brow Tint, and then we're also going to be testing out the Kiss Falscara, and then I have these extra lashes here to like kind of fill in so that they're not just like chunk, chunk, chunk. Like I want it to look like natural, you know, or not natural, but like wispy. I've never done this before, so I don't know how this is gonna come out. I could be looking like a fool for like the next 2 weeks or whatever. I don't know how these lashes, I don't know anything, honestly. I don't know how long they stay. I don't know how they come off. Like, I don't know anything. This is going to be an experiment for you and for me. All right, so I think I'm gonna start with the brow tint. I'm really nervous about that too, because what if it's terrible? I'm hopped up on sweet tea and adrenaline. We're gonna get this thing started, okay? So right now I have nothing on my face. I don't even have a moisturizer. We're going to try really hard and get this thing done. So all right, how does this look? We looking good? We are looking good. All right, so I got the Ardell Brow Tint, and this is in the shade Soft Black. I got this from Target. It was $15, and there are 12 applications in this box. So let's pull it out. Let's look at the directions, and then let's go, okay? This is for professional use only. It says that. Like, why would you say that? And you're in Target. Ardell, you setting us up. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Okay, so it's a permanent eyebrow tint kit. Is it permanent? Oh my God. Achieve salon results at home. For professionals, this product is not intended to use on eyelashes. Don't worry, we wasn't gonna do that. Okay, perform an allergy test 24 hours before applying brow tint. I did not do that. I got it this morning. Have a timer handy. Mixed ratios, 4 parts developer, 1 part colorant. I can do that. Remove color residue from skin immediately after processing. No. Cleanse brows before tinting and never apply on eyelashes. Okay, we're gonna mix the solution first. I'm gonna do 1 brow at a time because I'm scared. So here is the brow tint powder. It comes with a spoolie. I think this is the scooper. Oh yeah, that's a scooper, and a little spatula to mix. Right, and then this little mixing tin. And then this is the developer. So we're going to pea-sized amount, spatula, developer tray. Okay. What is a pea-sized amount? Like, is it a big pea or is it a little pea? It said 2 to 3 drops. Okay. I feel like this is just like hair dye. So it should be okay. It should be okay. 2 to 3 drops. Here we go, guys. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 drops. I could bake. I should be able to do this, right? 1 scoop of the powder. And it's in there. All right, perfect, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna mix it. Make sure that it's creamy. Okay, we're getting the creamy texture, creamy consistency. It's almost there. Can y'all see that? Let me switch. Let me flip it. I probably should have worn gloves too. So we got something here, right? I'm gonna use this brush to fill in after I put on the thing with the spoolie. And then we're going to add this to my right brow. And just kind of brush it in. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try. I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know, guys. This doesn't make sense to me, but we're gonna try. Now I'm gonna go in with the angle brush, and I'm gonna add some like that to like kind of shape the brows. I'm going to use this small angle liner brush to take away the excess and kind of shape the brow how I want it to be shaped. Okay, I think I see something happening, y'all. I think I see it. Oh, I forgot to put on the timer, guys. Yeah, see how stressed out I am about this? This looks crazy.
Several bad puns later.
Okay, here we go, guys. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so here we go. I got my damp cloth right here, and we are going to wipe this off. All right, so. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, okay, well. It's tinted. It looks crazy, but I feel like I could work with this. Like my skin didn't tint very well, but the brow hairs did. So I look like I have a semi-full brow, right? Right? I don't think Ardell gonna put this on their Instagram channel because you wasn't even working with a lot of brows to begin with. Okay. All right. So let's do the same for the other eye, and y'all will see as I am doing this one too, and this one will be sped up for real. Okay, so this eyebrow came out fire. This eyebrow, not so much, but that is the bad eyebrow anyway. But like, look at her. She's cute. Okay, okay. Oh, what? Maybe Ardell will put this on their site now. Who knows? Anyway, look at her. All right, I got you. I got you. All right. Oh my God, this is really good. This one, we gonna pray for this one. But the other one though, this one though, girl, did we just come up with a cheat code? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Anyway, let's talk about the eyes. Okay, so, this is gonna be interesting because I like to rub my eyeballs all the time. So I don't know how we're gonna do this. All right, so we have the Kiss Falscara multi-pack lengthening wisps. If you can mascara, you can Falscara, and I can mascara. So they say these wisps are designed with a microband and feather-like fibers to be applied easily, seamlessly, and comfortably underneath the lower lashes. All right, so first step is we have to brush a light coat of bond onto the natural lashes. A little bit goes a long way. Step 2, wisp under lashes. Use the applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. Pick up a wisp from the middle outer end for ultimate control and application. One by one, gently place wisps underneath the base for your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline, and then dab a thin coat of seal under wisps. This touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds the wisps in place. There's the bond on this side and then the seal on this side. So let's start. This is about to take forever. Let's start with the right eye. Let's see how long these stay on, because I like to rub my eyes. So this is going to be interesting. Very, very interesting. I'm going to go from the outside in. I'm going to take the large ones. I got time today. Let's see how easy these are, okay? Oh. The bond does bond because it is sticking my eyelashes together. My lids together, rather. Okay, how do I do this? Oh no, I fall them. They fell. I can't get them at the angle I need them. They're not sticking. That seems easy enough. The angle is weird. The angle is weird. So right now, what I'm realizing that the most difficult thing is to hold the applicators the way they're supposed to be held. I don't know how to do that. Like, the angle is very weird, and I'm looking in a mirror or looking in the camera, and it's just like, it's not easy for me. Like, I'm not having a good go at it. So I'm gonna take these 16 millimeters at the bottom down here, and I'm gonna add them to it. DIY lash extensions for a girl who's never had a lash extension in her entire life. Oh, now they're curly. No, because I didn't do them how I'm supposed to. Oh, okay. Well, see, this is what happens when you deviate from the plan, Duana. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue going across the lash and then add the individuals where I feel like they need to be added. We have one lash done, but it's like, I don't know. I feel like for all of that, I should have like some balloon boom boom, you know? And so I'm just gonna go in with some other ones and on the underside.
6 hours later.
Okay, y'all. So this is with lashes, without lashes. It does definitely give a little something. You know, I'm just really, really, really loving my strip lashes. So, I mean, it's not giving strip lash realness, but it's giving like, these grew out of my eyeballs, eyelids. All right, so now they say you got to put a coat of sealer on. And when you put the coat of sealer on, that should take away any of the tackiness. I feel like they look like spiders, but it is what it is. All right, y'all, I'm going to do the other side, and then we're going to come back and talk a little bit about how I feel about everything that's going on with my face right now, okay? I'm stopping back in to tell you that these are just the Kiss Falscara lashes, so I wanted y'all to see that. And I want you to know that after I did this one, it took so long because I kind of like got a rhythm down. This one took me less than 10 minutes to put on. And so I have 2 larges, 2 mediums, and a small on the inner corner. And that's how this looks. And it looks pretty good, actually. Gives me a nice little, you know, but you know, I'm an extra, so I'm gonna put another row on under this. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, y'all. Here we go. This eye came out so much better than this eye because this one was my practice eye. This one was the practice everything, honestly. And then we have this one. That came out actually really, really good. So I'm gonna finish up my face, put a little bit of like foundation on or something. and then I will show y'all like how the end result of everything looks, and then I'll give you some tips and tricks to make this a lot easier for you. Let's get into the face, right? The things that we tried out today to see how it works. Let me tell you something. There's nothing on my brows except brow gel and the brow tint, and the brow gel is not colored. It's a clear brow gel. That's it. Once I put on the concealer and just kind of carved out my brows, they look so much better. Let me give you some tips for the brow tint. If you have a lot of brows, then I think that the spoolie that they give you is going to be good enough, right? But for me, since I don't really have that much brows, I use this ABH number 15 angled brush. I like it because it's flat and it's precise, and you can put the pigment where you need it to go, which is why this brow came out so much better than this brow, because this brow is the brow that I used the spoolie for. After you put the pigment on with this, you want to get another brush. This one is another brush that's an angled brush, but it is thicker than this brush. This can clean up. And then after that, you can go through with the spoolie and just kind of like brush the brows up to make sure everything is coated. That's what I would do with the brows. Now for the lashes, remember when I started putting them on, I couldn't figure out how to flip them so that I could get them right under here. I would pick them up off the tray and then put them on my hand, or my finger rather, and then making sure that the lash is flipped back towards you. Pick them up by the ends of the lashes, apply them, and then when you're finished applying them, use the back of your tweezers to kind of just stamp them in, just to make sure that they're held. And that really helped the process go a lot smoother, and it just made everything a whole lot easier. So would I do this again? I think I would, especially since I know what I'm doing now. Like, that first time was like a trial run, but I would definitely do this again. And it would not take me as long as it did this time, like, cause the sun is going down now. It's terrible. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Liking this video is the easiest and least expensive way to support this channel. We are almost at 1,800, guys. We have like 8 more people to get to 1,800, and that is just really exciting for me. So make sure you and your friends and your family members and whoever loves makeup and enjoys watching this type of content, make sure they subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam, which is the most glamorous, the most fabulous community here on YouTube. Know exactly when I upload, and you know, you'll just be in the know, you know? Right. Anyway, also, lastly, do not forget to follow me on all major platforms at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.